To hide available nearby devices with quick share from share panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connected devices and then tap quick share. Under nearby sharing section, tap the blue on off switch next to show available devices on share panel to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. Now when you share a content on your phone, as the example a photo, other available devices with quick share will not be displayed in the share panel. However, if you like to share the content with the quick share, you can tap quick share icon and then select the desired nearby device you like to share with. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.